Abo. It's Saturday and today is special day, June 27 because it's Becky's 36th birthday. Dito kami sa Treasure Island Hotel magsa-celebrate. Hello, kuya! So, nag-book kami dito sa Treasure Island ng room ni Becky. Eto si Kuya. Thank you po, Kuya.
Matake, the view is viewing.
Thank
oh my God.
you.
Thank you, Kuya.
You're welcome.
Oh my God.
2 beds with bathtub.
Grabe yung scenery. Ang ganda ng pool.
The view is giving. Oh, ha? And the birthday girl. The overlooking view. Oh.
Kakasin.
Itong kanilang swimming pool. Swimming pool area. Kuna na kita dali para makapag-swim.
Ang dami.
3.
Higa ulit.
Wow! Naimas!
Ako ko madulas niya. Kami kain na tayo.
Kasi mas maya, sabay-sabay na.
Tinani.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Becky!
Grabe, ang ganda ng
Logo
cake.
na mag-wish ka na.
Okay.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday!
Ay, baso ba? Wow! Ah! Gusto ko to! Mas madismaya sila kung ano to.
We're ready for breakfast. Ito kanilang restaurant nasa level 2. Napakalaki ng kanilang restaurant for breakfast. Dahil nga naka-check-in kami, meron kaming 2 free breakfast. Pero kung gusto niyo mag-walk-in, pwede din po mag-a-add lang kayo ng 168. At kung regular days naman po sila ay 264. Marami po silang variety pagdating sa breakfast. Ang dami nilang choices. And the place is giving. Maganda ang view. Para nasa 360 lang naman. Skywalker. Alam yung appetite namin hindi pa ready kaya